What's up? This is Cool Johnny, and welcome to Psychedelic Cough. It's first episode, and we got a special guest already. The Salmonella survivor. Come on. Give her a hands up. She survived Salmonella. What's it like? Yes. So we got two gifts. We know you got that salmonella feet.
I'll put it on my feet, Dante.
You got salmonella feet.
No, you're not putting that on my feet.
Why?
Because I don't want that on my feet.
You're gonna relapse.
No, I don't want that on my feet, Dante, please.
Well, now that I touch you, I gotta get it on mine. Spray it. Spray it. Spray it. It's like summer's breeze. You sure? No. Come
Stop,
back.
Dante, please.
Let's get a round of applause. Okay.
Smells like chemicals in here.
What? My second gift, we all know he liked chicken. So we got this wrestling CD. And signed by Chicken himself. Chick. Let's give a round of applause, okay? You gonna watch that right now? After the show?
Sure.
How you gonna watch it without a brand new DVD player? Laugh track. She thought it was actually a DVD player. It's just my gun. Okay, first game. We call this the Charles Manson. Whichever one you pick out first is your real ghost.
Hello, my name is Crystal Gladys, and I am part of the South. We will take back the South. You will all die.
And you can't look. Close your eyes.
Who's Charles Manson?
Okay. Do a good old. Don't look.
What do I have to do? Just
Pick a man. And that's who you are. Whichever one you pick, though.
Okay, I'm grabbing it.
Pick it. No, that's not you. Okay. Pick it. No. These are not you. No. Here. Pick it. No. That's not one. No. No, pick it. No, it's not you. See, the whole game was, you're not Charles Manson. But you can be Appa.
Is this like Winter Strange or something? Where's the...
Okay, now, it got some heavy stuff. Okay, next segment. Actually, we're gonna have a Salmonella survivor do her performance. Sheep's trumpet player. I'll get that trumpet. Have at it.
I have a lip gloss on though.
Play it. Shining star for you to see. Play it. What do you call that song?
Right there.
Oh.
I'm dead.
What's that song called?
It's called the Ice Fry Salmonella.
Okay. I think that's a good show. Now it's time for the games. This one's called Chase Dog. Chase him. Okay, this brings us to our next segment. I need some water. We're donating this to the homeless.
That trumpet did not taste good.
Late Nights with Davy Crockett. That's the end. Thank you. We have a lovely show. Thank you to our guest. She had to leave. She got diabetes. And look forward to seeing you next episode.